Hello everyone and welcome to mastering the lowercase letters of the cursive form. In today's video we're going to learn about the letter V. So to learn V, you must know how to write the letter U followed by how to write the letter W, and then let's move to V. So while writing the letter U, I taught you all to make this angular curve. Angular but not sharp. So you followed it to the letter W, where you ended it with a tiny loop without a gap in the center to avoid distraction. Now we are going to combine the first part of U with the last part of W, and that's how you write the letter V. Okay, so this looks like a slanted or a falling N, but when you write it in a single line sheet or an unruled sheet, it looks perfectly fine. So start from the baseline, that angle, but now I would ask you all to make a straight line. So the reason why I asked you to do for you a curved one is because you need to make the parallel line, the following stroke, you need to do it in a parallel manner. But when it comes to V, it's going to be a little wide. So U is going to have the same width, whereas V, it widens, right? So for that, we're going to make a straight line and then widen it a little bit and make a loop on top. So I hope you understood why U and V differs here. So you need to make it parallel because the gap is extremely important. Since it widens, V must be straight. Okay, U will be a little bit slanting. So let's practice the letter V again and again. So see, to get the cursive form, you can just curve it a little bit, not too much, just slight curve. Can you see how slightly I have curved it? Not too much, but just a little bit. Okay. Now when you write V, A, that's how you connect V and A. Oops, sorry. Let's write V with other letters. V and A. So V and E. So I hope you're clear how you connect V and the other letters. So that's all about the letter V. Now I'm just going to give you a tricky work. Let's start with the letter U. Maintain the space here and continue writing the letter W, where you end it with a loop on top, and then connect it with the letter V so that you will know how to write the letter that ends halfway. And then again you need to connect it with a letter that's going to end in halfway. Okay, so let's practice it again. Just watch how I'm doing the letter U followed by the letter W and then the letter V. Just a slight bend. Okay, so this is all about the letter U, V and W, how they have been connected. And if you want it to be a little more challenging, start with the letter M and then continue with the letter N followed by the letter U and then W and then the letter V. So this will help you to identify the letters. This is M, this is N, W. Oh, I'm confused. It's U, W and V. So that's all about these letters that repeats and retraces. So some general things I would like to share with you all today. The space. Okay, The space is extremely important between the alphabets. So when you're writing A and you write B followed by the letter C, make sure you maintain a uniform distance between the alphabets. So do not cluster it together like this. That's going to make your letter writing look too messy. Nor do it like this. Too much space will be difficult for reading. See? That's bad again. Make sure you leave enough space. See, it can be proportionate like this. The more you practice these letters, you will learn to leave proper space. So, to help kids learn how to leave proper spacing, ask them to practice and repeat the same alphabet again and again so that they will understand space. It's okay to lift your pen after each letter. So take your time to form the alphabet properly and make sure you touch the middle zone. If you're using it or if you're using the upper zone, make sure you make use of these lines. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. I hope it was useful. Subscribe and follow all my videos and tips so that your handwriting turns beautiful and legible to read. Bye bye.